Hey everybody, welcome to Unit 8. I can't believe we are at our last unit. How exciting for you guys to be able to look back on your semester and see how far you've come, how much you've learned about health and about yourselves, and about online learning. This is a really exciting time for me because I can see your growth and see all the wonderful things you've done this semester and kind of see it in one package. So it's super exciting for us to be on our last unit. It's a little bittersweet for me. I know you're gonna move on and do amazing things, but it's a little sad for me to see you go. I really enjoy you students. So thank you for making this semester awesome. Let's make Unit 8 awesome as well. So this is our last unit in this course. It's about diseases and hygiene. So the beginning of it, we're going to be talking about hygiene, communicable diseases, and then more of like genetic diseases, or more like diseases that come because of our habits and because of our genetics. And then you have this one major assignment in this course. It's about diseases and family history. And this assignment actually has two different options for you to choose from, which is super exciting. We all love options, right? So for this assignment, the first choice is to research your own family history, discover what diseases come through your family history, and then kind of analyze how that affects you. And then option two is research on genetic testing. So this assignment, which I just pulled up, it is right here in our unit. And this is going to really break down exactly what you need to do for each of these options. So don't be too overwhelmed by that. It'll break it down pretty clearly. See, this has part one or part A and part B, and then if you choose option two, there's part A and part B. So it's pretty straightforward. It is really exciting to look back on your family history and be able to see what diseases are genetic and what kinds of things are coming through your genes. That if you have that option, if you aren't like adopted or if you have contact with your family, this is a really great option. If you want to learn more about genetic testing and what it is and what kind of diseases you can research, then option two is a great choice as well. So those are the two options for you here. This one's a little bit different. We do still have a rubric, and so each of them, yeah, this rubric applies to both of them. So make sure you're just checking out the rubric, seeing what you need to include here. If you do choose option two about genetic testing, make sure you're including your resources so that we know that you're looking at reputable resources and resources that are truthful and not opinions, things like that. And then for each of these assignments, you're going to include a little analysis where you kind of relate it back to you and know what you're going to do going forward if you need to change some of your habits or if you need to be more aware of that family history as you get older, things like that. And then the last section is about mechanics. And so this is a really good assignment to kind of wrap up our whole health journey in this course, and hopefully you'll be able to see it all kind of relate back to you. And so if you have any questions in this assignment, be sure and let me know. And I hope you have an awesome last unit of our course. Like I said, let me know how I can help, and we're gonna just wrap this thing up and power through to the end. I'm super excited about it.